there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an awesome Burberry haul, which is just in time for the fall season. Are you ready for a Burberry fall haul? I think Burberry as a brand with their beautiful plaid print and gabardine fabrics are the perfect addition to any fall wardrobe because they are already kind of that tan neutral color, but then it also has pops of red kind of woven in, and they are all just amazing and perfect for fall. So let's get into this haul. Now I've already unboxed everything, but I did want to go over all of the things that I recently purchased in preparation for the fall season. First up here is the classic Burberry scarf. This scarf is made of a mixture of silk and wool. So though it's nice and sheer, it's also super soft and warm. So you can wrap this around you, you can keep it as just a scarf on your neck, wear it as a shawl, and it's also really nice for like plane rides and things like that. So that way it is breathable, but it will keep you warm if you need it. So great for travel, great for the fall, and even going into winter months. It's a very versatile scarf and it's very classic. This scarf is going to go perfectly with the next item I have to show you. So what is a luxury wardrobe without a traditional Burberry trench coat? I am obsessed with this. So I recently purchased this trench coat. This is from the new Chelsea collection. So it is a kind of a different style than their previous ones like the Sandringham and Kensington. This one is kind of a mixture between the two. So it's super tight and fitted around the waist, and then it kind of flares out. So it gives a really nice silhouette. It has that gorgeous plaid interior. There's even a pop of the plaid on the collar here. And these are also super versatile because you can wear this open, you can tie back the strap here, you can wear it closed if it's really chilly and kind of rainy, you can button it all the way up. There's just so many ways you can wear these jackets. I am so excited to start wearing this for fall. I have already worn it one time out when it was kind of drizzly, and it was perfect, completely waterproof, very breathable because it is a cotton fabric. It's not nylon that's just gonna trap in any heat or moisture, which ends up making you even more cold. So great to keep you nice and warm, breathable, waterproof, anything you can ask for. For the price point, I would definitely hope that this is perfect, which it is. Definitely perfection. I would highly recommend this, and I can't wait to start wearing it with this scarf. So I just plan to kind of wrap the scarf around here. You can let it drape down, and they are just a perfect combination. Next up, I recently purchased the Quilted Jacket. They do have a couple of different styles. There is like the Frank B. A few different styles of this jacket have come out over the years because it is super popular. This particular one does have the new TB logo on it. It has a corduroy collar here. Underneath, you pop it up. You do have that gorgeous plaid there. The interior is completely lined with the plaid. Even the sleeves, you can roll those up and have a pop of the plaid peek through. But I love these because it is a perfect kind of transition fall to winter jacket. It's a little bit more casual than the trench coat, and when it's not raining, this is perfect. I went with the black color because the black goes with pretty much anything, but I can also pair it with whites, blacks, reds like this. Anything would really match underneath it. And then finally, the last piece, I am most excited about this piece. Even though the other pieces are gorgeous, I am so stoked that I found this. So this is a poncho. It's the reversible poncho. So we have the solid on one side and then the traditional plaid on the inside here. So you can either wear this on the inside or the outside. It's reversible. Most likely I will wear this with the plaid on the inside and then just fold up the front here so that way it kind of peeks through, just so it's a little bit more subtle, and then it's like, pop, look what I got on. But these came out, I want to say it was a year or two ago. I really loved them, but I didn't pull the trigger then. They went out of stores. I have been searching for them pretty much ever since I did see them. And then recently they popped up online for sale from Saks, and so I had to purchase it because I have been wanting one of these ever since I saw it. This is made from 100% extra fine merino wool, so it is nice and warm. It's a little bit thinner, so it is going to be breathable as well, so it's not going to be super heavy. You're not going to overheat wearing this. And other than that, it is just gorgeous. There is the Burberry tag here, on both sides, so depending on how I want to wear it, I can show everything off here. So that is my mini fall haul slash Burberry haul. I'm really starting to like the direction that the Burberry fashion house has been going recently, and with this classic plaid, you can't go wrong. This has been around for decades and decades, and it's not going anywhere. So definitely a safe bet if you want to invest in nice luxury clothing that's not super trendy, but is going to be around for a long time to come. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, be sure to hit the thumbs up and that subscribe button down below just so you are notified every time I make a new video. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.